Join me as I dive into the world of online scams and try to expose the tactics scammers use to watch you. Online scams are a huge problem, and it's more important than ever to be aware of the tactics used by scammers today. With the rise of the internet and social media, scammers have more opportunities than ever to target individuals and steal their personal information. Scams are becoming more and more prevalent, and it's not just about the money, it's about the personal impact they can have on people's lives. Scammers use a variety of methods to target individuals, from fake emails and websites to phone calls and even in-person encounters. They're getting more sophisticated, and it's easier than ever for them to get their hands on your personal information. These scams can be incredibly convincing, and it's not uncommon for people to fall victim to them. Once a scammer has your information, they can use it to steal your identity, drain your bank account, or even blackmail you. The consequences can be devastating, and it's crucial that you're aware of the risks. The methods scammers use are constantly evolving, but some of the most common types of scams include phishing, identity theft, and tech support scams. Phishing scams typically involve fake emails or websites that trick you into giving away your personal information. Identity theft scams involve stealing your personal info and using it to open fake accounts or commit crimes in your name. Tech support scams typically involve fake tech support companies that claim to be from big companies like Microsoft. To recognize these scams, you need to be cautious when clicking on links or giving out personal information. Be wary of emails or messages that ask for sensitive information, and never give out your password or financial information to someone you don't trust. Let's take a look at a real-life example. There was a woman who received a call from someone claiming to be from her bank. The scammer told her that her account had been compromised and that she needed to give him her login information to secure it. She was hesitant at first, but the scammer was convincing and she eventually gave him the information. The scammer then used her information to drain her bank account and open fake credit cards in her name. The woman was devastated. She had lost thousands of dollars and her credit score had been ruined. The emotional toll of being scammed should not be underestimated. The woman felt embarrassed, ashamed, and even depressed. She had to spend months sorting out the mess and trying to recover her financial reputation. In situations like these, being vigilant and doing your research can make all the difference. To sum it up, being aware of the tactics used by scammers is crucial in today's digital age. By knowing how to recognize and avoid scams, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from the devastating consequences. If you've had any experiences with scams, share them with me in the comments below. I'd love to hear about them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell and also check out other thrilling videos on my channel.